Hello, my name is Monica Herrera, one of the admissions counselors at Johns Hopkins University. While our students are expanding their knowledge and building upon their skill sets through research, they are also doing so through internships. Our students have access to a variety of companies and industries by being located in one of the major East Coast cities. They can get involved in programs through Morgan Stanley, T. Rowe Price, the Baltimore Sun, our NPR station, and even Under Armour, which is headquartered right here in our own backyard, doing internship programs through their HR fellowship divisions, or their marketing internship programs, and even corporate sustainability. And if you want to get involved in startups and local nonprofits, our students are currently doing so today. Like one of our students who worked on a project with Bike More, a nonprofit focused on advocacy for pedestrian and bike infrastructure within our city. Our students are also getting involved in programs in DC by working on the Hill with congressmen and women and senators, in think tanks, and even the U.S. Department of Justice by taking that short train out away, allowing them to continue their internships on into the academic school year. And for our students who are interested in programs outside of the Baltimore, D.C. area, they work with our Life Design Lab and the Life Design educators to help them navigate those different opportunities, oftentimes using our Handshake database, which is where recruiters post specific jobs and internship posting for our Hopkins undergraduate students, in which there are multiple opportunities that far expand beyond the number of students we have on this campus. Students are able to also take these experiences globally in order to make that larger community impact that they want to by working with our Office of Study Abroad advisors to find the programs that best match their goals. Our students are able to use the resources and larger networks of Hopkins as well as the Baltimore, D.C. area to be able to expand upon their opportunities and experiences within the classroom, and are able to navigate these by calling upon our different advisors in their different areas such as the Life Design Lab, Office of Study Abroad, Hopkins of Undergraduate Research, or their own faculty advisors within their department. We hope you learned a little bit more about us today. If you want to learn more about Hopkins, we encourage you to visit one of our information sessions, follow us on social media, and ask your questions to us by reaching out to your regional admissions counselor or one of our students through askastudent@jhu.edu. Thank you for your time today.